Hey, it's Meg. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be decorating the cover of a journal that I'm going to be using for the Messy May Daily-ish Art Journal Challenge. So this is hosted by the lovely folks over at Get Messy. I'll leave all the information down below if you want to join in, because I know you guys love a good daily challenge like Junk Journal January and July. So I'm really excited. This is my third time taking part in Messy May, and I'm really excited that I'm also one of the guest artists throughout the month. So every day there's a new artist sharing their take on one of the prompts. I am doing day 17, which is vintage, so I'm really excited to share that one with you guys. So make sure you're following along, and you might want to join in too. So I'm going to be decorating the journal that I'll be using. So full disclosure, this is the Get Messy journal that was sent to me. So it's like a mixed media journal with all different papers like vellum. There's some pockets as well. So I thought it would be perfect for this because I do want to go a little bit more mixed media style rather than junk journal like collage style, but I'll probably end up doing a mishmash of both. And before I get started, I have another little announcement, which is that I am part of Get Messy's new class that's called The Catalyst Embrace the Power of the Journal. I'm really excited. I've done a lesson for this class alongside 11 other artists. So my lesson is called Paper Scraps Poetry. It's all about collage and how we can use found words and phrases in our journals. So I will leave all the information down below if you want to check that out. I'm just so thrilled to have been asked to take part, so I hope if you do check it out that you enjoy. There's so many amazing artists taking part in it as well. So in terms of what I want to do for the cover of this journal, I was actually looking at my Messy May journal that I did a couple of years ago, and I really love this cover, the ink leaves that I did. So I'm thinking I might do something similar. So I got out my inks and I'm wondering whether to do, so I've got greeny colours or a burnt sienna, which might be nice. I also pulled out a black and a Payne's grey, unsure. Or I'm thinking maybe I could just do like a full like contrast moment and go for white and have the contrast for the craft cover that I've got. So that is my inspiration. So I was just going to show you a couple of pages that I did for this journal, because some of these are like my favorite pages that I've done probably in quite a few journals. So my favorite one is this sunflower one that I did. So it has like a coffee and white paint background. I did the collage. I had this beautiful sunflower image that I cut out. I used my typewriter, and so this is kind of the feel that I want to go for, but maybe like more paints and mixed media, as I was saying. But I just really loved this page that I did. I think I did another one that was slightly similar to this as well, here with another cutout flower. I did one and then I just decided that it would be nice to continue that theme. So probably not doing like the same every day, but I just think I really loved this style that I did in this journal. So be inspired by your old journals. So even though I had a really clear idea in my mind of where I wanted this cover to go, spoiler alert, there's going to be a lot of chaos, and it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to go, but then I also changed course and ended up on something that I did quite like. So I wanted to share the full process of this because I think it's helpful sometimes just to see how things go in different directions. And the first thing I started off by doing was using a pencil just to trace out the leaf pattern, because I didn't want to completely freehand that. But when I started using these inks, they absorbed into the card way more than I thought they would. I don't know why I didn't think that this would happen. So when I started off, it was okay, but then it all started seeping in, and I really should have put a layer of like clear gesso or matte medium or something onto the card first. So it really wasn't as sharp as I wanted it to be. So you can see there I kind of Tried to make it work, but then I thought, right, scratch that. We're going to be covering the cover. So I grabbed some brown paper, and then I also decided to change to a black ink because, as well as it not having the right effect that I wanted, I didn't really like the white as well. Like, as soon as I did it, I thought, this is not the right decision. So in the end, I worked on this separate piece of just packing paper, and I was actually able to be a lot more free because it didn't matter if I made a mistake, because the whole design wouldn't end up going onto the journal, and I could always grab another piece if I wanted to. So I've still got that craft look.
Fight the darkness till break of day. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. What did we know? We were so very young. Four-leaf clover, look what you've got. Changing colors more often than not. Same old rising. What's different to you? Breaking silence, so easy to do. The heart in the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. What did we know? We were so very young. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. What did we know? We were
So in the end, I brought together quite an eclectic little mix of collage papers there to create a focal point for the cover of this journal. So I'm going to be working in this, as I said, throughout the Messy May challenge, and I'm going to be doing weekly videos to show you the process as we go through the challenge each week. So I hope you join me. And like I said, all the information, if you want to join in with this as well, will be linked down below. So thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.